Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good morning to our lecturer, Puan Juliawati binti Jamaun, and to our fellow watchers. We are from Group 5 in DCC 30103, Highway and Traffic Engineering, and today we would like to present our case study about traffic management and highway maintenance. I would like to introduce our team members. Our first member is Noor Alina Natasha binti Mazlan, a matrix number 40DKA21F 2014. Our second members, myself, is Muhammad Jaya Nakid bin Manu Afandi, matrix number 40DKA21F 2023. Our third member, Siti Nur Izzati binti Zainuddin, matrix number 14DKA21F 2009. Our last member, Afi Haizat bin Azli, matrix number 40DKA21F 2008. Introduction. The term traffic management refers to a set action taken to maintain traffic capacity while also improving the overall security, safety, and reliability of transportation system. These measurements incorporate ITS system, service, and projects into day-to-day operation that have impact on the performance of the route network. The development and integration of a set traffic management measure relevant to local and regional needs is heart of this strategy, which is accomplished through a planning process that incorporates system engineering, standardization, and documentation and performance management. After we surveyed around Merlimau, we chose our location at SMK Sri Mahkota, Melaka Road, 299 Speed Mart, Kampung Pulai. Because of the area we found a lot of road damage. Among the road damage we found was traffic light malfunction, animal carcasses, and many more damage. Types of damage we found at our site. The first damage is depression, which is required to rehabilitation maintenance. This is caused by a subgrade settlement resulting from inadequate compaction during construction lead to a place filled with substantial water that cause vehicle hydroplaning. How to solve this damage is by removing the affected pavement, replacing the area of per subgrade, and patch over the repair subgrade. Next is patch deterioration, which require a routine maintenance. This is caused by compaction, material selection, and quality of the surrounding underlying pavement. This integration of breaking up of pavement into small pieces that are lost with the time and traffic. Revealing and pothole are most common type of disintegration. How to solve this damage is by the area shall be thoroughly cleaned with compressed air to remove all dust and loose particles. These layers below of the level of bituminous construction must be replaced with a material that meets the same specification as the original construction, including the required compaction criteria.
My name is Noor Alina Natasha binti Mazlan. My matric number is 14DKA21F 2014. For this type of damage is a pothole. Pothole is category of periodic maintenance. This is caused by expansion and contraction of groundwater after the water has entered into the ground under the pavement. This can lead to tire blows out and wheel damage and steering system, misalignment, and accident occur. How to solve the problem? The mixture to be used in bituminous patching shall be either a cool mix or a hot mix. While placing the top layer, the mix shall be laid slightly part of the surface so that after compaction, the surface shall be in level with the adjoining surface. If the patching area is large, the spreading and leveling shall be done using bent shovel and straight wooden edges. For the next type of damage is traffic light multifunction. Traffic light multifunction in category immediately maintenance. These damage are caused by electrical failure or local power outage. This may also due to maintenance issue where maintenance or traffic light are not carried out. How to solve this problem? The JKR representative must do the maintenance on the traffic light, and the road user need to make a complaint to the authorities regarding the problem. For the next type of damage is animal carcasses. The animal carcasses also in category of immediate maintenance. The development of road affect wildlife by altering and isolating habitat and population. Deterring the movement of wildlife are resulting in extensive wildlife mortality. The animal have been stuck and killed by driver of motor vehicle. How to solve the animal carcasses in the road? Remove and dispose the animal. Bury in a convenient location. Discarded in thick roadside vegetation in such a manner that the remains will not be visible to passing motorists.
Last type of damaged road is signage blocked by trees. Routine maintenance. The tree branch are overgrown and have obstruct traffic signs, causing the road drivers to miss and not see road signs. How to solve? First, cut tree branches that block the sign so drivers can see the sign safely. Second, this maintenance can be done 3 or 4 times a year. Next, recommend the implementation of traffic management. First, traffic control. First of all, control using a traffic light at the intersection. Use traffic lights at intersections to control, decrease the likelihood of accidents at road intersections and prevent traffic congestion. Traffic lights give way and stop sign, or uncontrolled intersection without any lights or sign will control intersections. If Even if you believe the path is clear, you must stop when there is a stop sign. If there is a give way sign, you must be ready to stop. If there is oncoming traffic, always use your turn signal to let other drivers know what you are doing. Whether you are turning, passing, or changing lanes, or even you don't believe you saw any other vehicles, you might have missed a bike or a pedestrian. Next, recommend the implementation of traffic management. For second, avoid vehicles conflict. Proper traffic management planning also includes solving the issues related to traffic signals. The function of any traffic signals is to assign right of way to avoid the conflicting of vehicles at an intersections.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Afiq Haizat bin Azli. My metric number is 14DKA21F2008. The next recommend is one-way street. Artificial intelligence and smart traffic technologies which can ease congestion, benefit the environment and increase safety for both drivers and pedestrians are being used more and more in smart city to improve traffic. There are various ways the smart city must change traffic flow by using this technology improvement. Next technique can increase the capacity of one-way street several road in the road network and reduce the range of the change in flow at the intersection. One-way streets make it easier for pedestrians to cross because there is only one direction of traffic to watch for. One-way streets typically have greater speeds, which leads to new issues, even though studies have shown that changing two-way street to one-way generally reduce pedestrian crash, whether a roadway is made one-way. It should be assessed to determine if any other modifications are necessary, especially if the street or its lanes are excessively large. Before converting to one-way street, it is also important to truthfully evaluate traffic circulation in the surrounding region. And last but not least, lessen the number of road accidents. Road accidents are bound to happen due to traffic congestion and inefficient and traffic control. Also, without proper signs and guidance, a motorist could end up the wrong way on complicated divisions. A proper traffic management plan can help you in reducing the number of accidents. And the conclusion is this is the end of our case study. Effort towards identifying the cause of road accidents related to the physical aspect of the road require detailed study. This study is thought to be important to ensure the relationship between road physical planning and traffic management with road accidents to find alternative solutions to road accident issue. Road users should be careful and follow the rules set on the road so that unwanted incidents happen. We hope that frequent accidents will be reduced and the lives of road users will be safe. Thank you and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.